Alright, good everyone. This is version 2 of Chainsaw Operations. We've tried to tighten it up and tried to do things a bit differently for a different view. First thing you'll notice is it's a different screen layout, so it's a different way of navigating through the course. And basically now it's just 3 topics. Start here. That's the bit that inducts the students. I've compressed my screen size down, so that's why I'm scrolling a bit more than normal. So this start here section is all about orientation, so getting them into this, and the words will change, getting them into this course, letting them understand how to use it, what buttons to click on, when to do what, and that will be done via a video. These 2 sections are about getting to know each other using the forum, and this one's here is about how the teachers will be engaging and communicating. So that's with the students, so that's just information. Technology readiness is a quick feedback type quiz that allows the teachers to understand the level of technology usage the students have, so that therefore they can customise to their course and those sorts of things to meet the needs of the students. I'm going to go to the next section, which is how will I be assessed. The how will I be assessed section is all the compliance stuff that we need to do as an RTO. So there's some more information about the specifics of the course content, and then we've got some acceptances that need to be done. These 3 acceptances need to be complete before a student can go on to the next stage, which is the content. You can see this student has completed all 3 already, so the next topic is available, and that is the topic called Learning Resources. Learning Resources is where all the resources and self-checks will be. So we're thinking about putting them in one topic. Learning resources, expected outcomes, those will change based on this new model. Instructions, what the students need to do. Then we've got different activities. So we've got lesson 2 and a self-check, lesson 3 and a self-check, lesson 4 and a self-check. I think there's 6 lessons. And the reason for there being 6, it's been proven that the absolute maximum amount of time for anyone to learn is 15-20 minutes. So we're trying to break the content down into 15-20 minute sections. The ideal is around 10. So each of these lessons is about 20 minutes long. You can't progress to the next one, as you can see here in lesson 4, unless the self-check of the previous lesson has been complete. And that's another theory thing. An evidence-based bit of design, and that's the fact that people who are tested or checked or have activities to do that allow them to think about what they just learnt, it embeds that knowledge further than just saying here's a whole bunch of content, now let's go and get assessed formally. So that's kind of what we're trying to do here is, a little bit of content, a quick little self-check. Content, self-check. So this student has already done the self-check for section 2, lesson 2, which means that they can now view lesson 3 and do the self-check for lesson 3. If they get the self-check for lesson 3 done correctly, lesson 4 will appear. So that's a really brief overview. The words can change, the way it looks can change within reason. But that's the proof of idea, I suppose, or concept. What do the lessons look like? Well, the lessons are built in Captivate at this point. The little self-encased.
The first thing you need is a safety helmet.
So I'll turn that down. So basically, this is a interactive resource, and the students can go through it all. There's a guy talking to them, explaining what's on the screen, just like you would have in a classroom. And they can work their way through the whole lesson. Towards the end of this, they've got some self-checks, well, not some self-checks, but some little activities to do to once again help them confirm that they do know what they're doing. So you've got some learning exercises in here. And so for this one, features of a safety tool, the man is talking about where the different things are. So where's the front hand guard? So I need to click on the front hand guard. Next one is, where's the guide bar colour? Where is the stop control? So I can work my way through it, or if I don't want to actually, I can just continue on and it'll tell me anyway. So that's the knowledge component, and they all will look similar to this. Again, there's some things in here that aren't quite working as we'd like at the moment, but again, proof of concept, get the general idea of the direction we're going in, and we should be good. So that's where we're at the moment. Your feedback would be more than appreciated on how it all works and what other changes you'd like to see. So, yeah, thanks.